Powered speakers are speakers with an amplifier inside them. So that means that you don't have to have a separate amp, you just plug them into your mixer and away you go. So we're going to talk about the speakers and plugging into the back of the mixer. This is the back of the Serato DDJ SX2 and it's pretty self-explanatory. These are the female XLR leads, and there's only one way they can go in the back of this mixer because they're male outs. So you just run this. The easiest way is to run it directly to the speaker. Now you're probably wondering what this other one is underneath it. I'm going to show you about that right now. This outlet is if you want to run, because they're powered speakers, you can run them to each other. So you can link them together like a daisy chain and have them all in a stack. So what you would do is, you'll need 3 leads to do it though. Is you plug in the female into this one, and then the other end will go into the other speaker. So it looks like that, and you'll be able to get sound out of both of them. I'll just turn it on. So both speakers are working, but I'm only using one channel out of the back of the mixer. There it is, see, I'm only using one, but I've got both speakers working, so that's what that's for. That's called a daisy chain. You can actually stack more speakers than that if you wanted to, but normally, you know, so you can use 2 leads, but you can have actually 4 speakers using 2 leads, so you can have a quadraphonic sound. But the safest way is, if you're ever confused about how to set your speakers up, is always use the back of the mixer first and run your leads from the back of the mixer to the speaker. Cool, thanks.